Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pepper garlic rasam. This is a very healthy recipe and an immunity booster. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of peppercorn and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. To this add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot. To this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns, a teaspoon of chopped garlic, few curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies and a pinch of jeera. Give it a quick mix. Then add the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mashy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add half cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious pepper garlic rasam is ready. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Do try this healthy pepper garlic rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.